Welcome to our Top 5 Smart Home Gadgets Guide. In today's world, smart devices make life easier, safer, and more comfortable. From lighting to cleaning and security, each of these products brings powerful value to your everyday routine. In this video, we'll explore 5 standout gadgets that offer great performance and simple controls. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal my top recommendation based on features, quality, and overall usefulness. Let's begin. Number 1. Govee H6008 Smart Light Bulbs. The Govee Smart LED bulbs create an atmosphere that transforms any room into a unique and relaxing space. With 16 million colors and adjustable white tones, they allow you to set the perfect mood for movies, study time, reading, or gaming. These bulbs work with Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free control over color, brightness, and schedules. The Govee app includes dynamic scenes and music sync, letting lights react to sound for a lively effect. With both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, setup is quick and stable. Offering 800 lumens of brightness and low power consumption, these bulbs are ideal for anyone wanting creative lighting paired with smooth, smart home control. Number 2. Kasa KC410S2KQHD Security Camera. The Kasa KC410S camera provides clear and reliable monitoring for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants peace of mind at home. Its 2K QHD resolution ensures sharp, detailed video, and the pan-tilt feature lets you view the entire room from your phone. The starlight sensor improves night vision, giving you natural color even in low light. Motion alerts notify you instantly, and two-way audio allows you to speak to pets or family members. It supports SD card or cloud storage and works with Alexa and Google. This camera offers dependable home security without complicated setup. Number 3. Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum. The Shark Ion Robot Vacuum takes over your daily cleaning with a tri-brush system that handles dust, hair, and debris across carpets and hard floors. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, it covers large spaces before returning to charge. Using the app or voice commands with Alexa, you can schedule cleaning even when you're not home. Its low-profile design reaches under beds and sofas with ease. For anyone wanting a stress-free cleaning solution, this robot vacuum delivers strong performance at an affordable price. Number 4. LEVOIT Humidifiers for Bedroom Large Room Home. The LEVOIT 6-liter Smart Humidifier improves the air in your home with quiet and efficient moisture control. With a large tank and powerful output, it can run for up to 60 hours. The top fill design makes refilling simple, and the VSync app lets you adjust mist levels, set schedules, and activate auto mode for perfect humidity. It also works with Alexa and Google for hands-free operation. With quiet sleep mode and essential oil compatibility, this humidifier is perfect for bedrooms, baby rooms, and plant areas. It supports easier breathing, healthier skin, and a more comfortable environment. Number 5. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock for Front Door. The Schlage Encode Smart Deadbolt brings advanced security to your front door with modern convenience. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to lock or unlock your door remotely, and you can create unique access codes for family, guests, or renters. The weather-resistant touchscreen is easy to use, and the lock works with Alexa and Google for voice control. Its durable design offers strong protection, and activity logs keep you informed about who enters your home. This smart lock is a powerful upgrade for households that want security and simplicity in one device. Product recommendation. If you want strong overall value, the Kasa Smart KC410S security camera is my top recommendation. It delivers excellent video quality, full room coverage with pan and tilt, great night vision, flexible storage options, and smooth smart home integration. It's the best balance of performance, reliability, and price in this entire list. Thanks for watching this full breakdown of the top 5 smart home gadgets. Each product offers something unique, from comfort and security to convenience and creativity. If this guide helped you choose the right smart device for your home, feel free to explore more of our videos for honest reviews and helpful tips. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.